I'm Nyaman Diahutari Dewi from Universitas Ngurah Rai. On behalf of my team, Gede Wirata and Ida Ayu Putu Sriwetnyani, will present a paper with subject Social Networks as Social Capital in Facing Local Political Dynamics in the Globalization Era in Bali. As we know that technology has a great influence on globalization. Globalization touches all the important aspects of life. Globalization creates various challenges and new problems that must be answered, solved in an effort to utilize globalization for the benefit of life. Dynamics and future of local politics in democratic social capital in various parts of the world have grown and developed in a long process. The process of democratization in the countries of Western Europe turned out to originate from the local politics of the aristocrats, the landlords who fought against the arbitrary authority of their king, while in the other countries in Eastern Europe, after the World War II, proclaimed itself to be a democratic country. Various countries in Africa and East Asia, the journey to democracy in their societies is also full of the struggle of ethnic groups to fight for livelihoods that are widespread in their regions. While in Indonesia, the history of local politics is almost as old as the age of colonial rule, the decentralization of power, and the administration of the government itself. The literature of the globalization we quote from Malcolm Watters and Selo Sumardian, while in the social capital we quote from the Selo Sumarjan, Portes, Hanifan, Jacob, Lurie, Coleman, and Bordeaux. And then for the local politics we quote from Halims, and for the social networks we quote from Agustianto, Damsar, Kusnadi, and Renowati. This research is using the research method, qualitative method. The reason for using qualitative research method is because the data obtained will be more complete, deeper, credible, and meaningful so that research objectives can be achieved. The decentralization policy subsequently gave birth to the decentralization policies called expansion. Expansion is the name used in the decentralization process that creates new administrative units in pre-existing provinces and districts. Politics in the reform era provides a large space for the strengthening of local politics in Indonesia because of the presence of democracy and decentralization that colors the government system in Indonesia. Decentralization and regional autonomy that was present resulted in the strengthening of the local politics in the region, such as the revival of the steady Bali discourse in Bali. And as Bali is well known also for the tourism, when this is the higher level of tourist visits has an impact of the creation of a global network society which is supported by various social media to interact massively between Balinese people and the global community that characterizes the condition of the globalization era. The existence of the Pakraman village of community in Bali in its long history is always related to and in line with the dynamics of Balinese culture. So Pakraman village, there are three. There is Bali Agap, Apanaga, and Anyar village. So how about the politics in Bali? In terms of politics, in the beginning until now, the castle has played its role in politics in Bali. So the proof is that there are PNI or Indonesia National Party founded by Sukarno and growing in Bali. And this party was the largest party in the 60s and was founded by a nationalist who came from Puri Agung Denpasar and formerly known as Puri Satria by the king of Cokorda Ngurah Agung. So this is proof that the castle has entered politics long time ago. And now during the new order era, Puri Agung Denpasar finally collaborated with the Indonesian Democratic Party or known as PDIP. So it cannot be denied that the dynamics of local politics in Bali are still dominated by the existence of the castle. The paper emphasizes maintaining social culture as a local wisdom of the Balinese people, building a global network society by utilizing the era of globalization and making these two components strengthen social capital in the face of the dynamics of local politics. Conclusion is it is the time to realize local politics in a peaceful social capital so that it can prosper the community in the context of Bali today and in the future. When the social culture strengthened by global network, it will change the political situation in Bali. And then in order to keeping social culture as a local wisdom, the Balinese have to build global network by using technology in the globalization era. My presentation and thank you for listening.